Hello and welcome to this YouTube channel where I teach you how to make various crochet stitches in different forms and styles. In the last video, we learned how to crochet 5 basic stitches, and in this video, we're going to be learning how to increase with those basic stitches. To increase with a single crochet, we're going to start by chaining one and turning our work. Now, insert your hook into the first stitch and make one single crochet. Now make one single crochet again into that same stitch. What we've just done is an increase. Now we're going to work one single crochet into all the stitches until we get to the last stitch. Into the last stitch, we're going to make one single crochet, and then we're going to make a second single crochet into the same stitch. So what we've just done now is that we have increased at the beginning and at the end of this row of single crochet. And if you repeat this process for a few more rows, you realize that your work will begin to flare out and form a triangle. Increasing with the double crochet is very similar to increasing with the single crochet. The only difference is that now you're working a different stitch. So start by chaining 2 and turn your work. And we're going to work one double crochet into the first stitch. And we're going to repeat that and work one more double crochet into that same stitch. And there we've just created an increase. You can work more than 2 double crochets into a single stitch, and the same thing applies for single crochet. You can work more than one stitch into the same stitch, but the idea of an increase is to make more than one stitch into the same stitch. So in the last stitch here, we're going to create an increase like we did at the beginning. So make one single crochet and make a second single crochet. And there we have made increase on both sides of the project. If you continue like this, your work will begin to expand on both sides of the project. So I believe you've gotten the idea of what an increase is. Increasing with a half double crochet or a treble crochet or a double crochet or a single crochet is to make more than one stitch into one stitch. And the side that you make this increase on is going to determine the shape that your work will take. And then if you make more than 2 stitches into one stitch, your work will begin to create some kind of frills. So feel free to experiment with these increases and create different styles and textures. I have a blog post that is all about increases with crochet stitches, and I'll leave a link to that in the description box, so please feel free to check it out. And if you do not know how to make these crochet stitches, this is a step-by-step tutorial on how to do that. See you in the next video.